Ed, and I'm coming at you with my shave of the day for today. It's May 29th, 2018, and I did want to say thanks for joining me for this shave today. Definitely do appreciate it. Hope everybody's doing well. Not doing too bad myself here. What is it? It's Tuesday night here. What is it, around 7 o'clock? Just want to get this shave on. Got a couple days worth of growth. It's not too much, but just figured, hey, let's get into it. I do have a couple new things that I haven't used on the videos here yet, so I figured I'd use them and show them to you guys. Okay, so to get started, I did just want to go through some of the equipment here. On the hardware side, the razor we're going to be using today, this is my Merkur German, so it's a 37C razor here. It's a two-piece. One piece, the other here. I have a Baili blade there. This is the first time using this blade. I had never tried it, so we'll see how it goes here. Hopefully it'll be smooth. If not, I do have a couple over here that I can use. Okay, so there's the Merkur 37C. It's the slant there, you can see. I like this razor quite a bit. Pretty efficient. Brush. This is my Haircut and Shave Co. 24mm Tuxedo style knot here. Very soft. Good spring, good backbone. I like this brush a lot. Good stuff. The soap I'm going to be using, this is the new soap. This is my fourth. So I got 3 other ones here from Wild West Shaving Co. I haven't used this one yet. It's Calamity Jane. And this is a little bit different one. It's the sense of gambling and conglomeration. So essentially, this soap I think is supposed to be like a test batch, kind of working out stuff I think Russell is doing there. So that's what it looks like here. Real nice scent on it. Good scent strength. And I don't know the scent. If I had to guess, because like I said, this could be anything really. It's kind of like a sweet leather. So maybe George's Barbershop, possibly? I don't know. Because I know George's Barbershop is like leather and neroli and a couple other things. So I don't know. It's got maybe like a cherry too. It's tough to say. But it smells real good. If Russell would let me know. I don't know if he knows or not, if he remembers this, but... And this is also a little bit different too. It has a thicker black container here. So it's like a pure black, matte, like opaque, not at all transparent. So interesting. A little bit heavier. But there we go. So it's Calamity Jane. I do also have an aftershave here that I'm going to be using that I haven't used before. I've seen this around at the stores. I just figured I'd pick it up and try it out here. It's the Gillette series Cool Wave. That's what it looks like. It's a nice glass bottle here. Pretty big hole there, but it looks like it actually is a little, it gets thinner as you go in there. You can kind of see. The scent is pleasant enough, kind of like a cool watery kind of thing, you know. Kind of deodorant-y, but not too much. Actually impressed though, this doesn't have too many ingredients in it. It's actually pretty minimal. What's it? Alcohol, denatured alcohol, water, fragrance, PG60 hydrogenated castor oil. That's it. So, only a few ingredients there. So, I'll give it a try. I have used this since I got it, but I just figured I'd use it today. And then I will be using a balm too. I'll be using this Ducanon Aftershave Balm Ice Cold. This is pretty nice stuff. It smells pretty good. What is it? Bergamot and something or other. Yeah, but I forget. But bergamot and sandalwood, something like that. But yeah, it smells pretty good. Okay, so that's some of the hardware and the software I'll be using. So we go ahead and get the shave started. So let's go ahead and rock the shave out. Okay, so first I'm just going to take my brush, run it under some hot water here, get it wet. Good. Couple shakes there. Just bring the brush to the puck here. Start loading it up. Maybe I'll stick with that. I don't know if I need to go back for more I can, but just gotta have some of my fingers there and stuff. get it off and put it on the brush. That's why I like to go into a little bit more wet nowadays. It just seems to build up a lather quicker onto the brush. This will bring to the face, start building up a lather here. I just got out of the shower, so. Put a little more water in this here. Put a little more water again. I'll go with that. Seems pretty good to me. Okay, so first pass going with the grain here. First time using this Baili blade. Not too bad, not the smoothest, but not bad. It just seemed to drag a little bit on the stubble. So, like I said, the soap's doing pretty good though here. No problems. Slick. Slick stuff. Nice cushiony lather. The blade's just gliding right along there. No problems. Yeah, I kind of took a week off there from making videos. I just didn't have it in me. So no big deal though. I'm still not gonna make it. I'm just wasn't feeling up to it. That's okay, you know, you can't. You do this, you don't want to do it, it's cool. Just take a week or whatever off and just kind of do what else you were doing. Just kind of doing some stuff around the house or whatever, just, you know, doing a couple other things that I like doing. I shave and then just, you know, I did a couple quick shaves off camera and just enjoyed them. Okay, that's feeling pretty good there. First pass, all good. Go back for pass 2 here. It's looking good. Pass 2 here across the grain. It's a little warm in this bathroom, I gotta tell you. Warm day out today, like 90 degrees, something like that, so. We have air conditioners, but we just don't use them really. If it got hot enough, we would, but this razor's nice and smooth too. There's like, it's not terribly aggressive, but it's pretty darn efficient, I gotta say. Okay, I'll go with that for pass 3. Go back for pass 2 now. Pass 3. A little more water here. Yeah, nice. Yep, but I gotta say too, this soap, nice and fragrant still here. You know, third pass here still. Got a nice scent off of it coming here. Real good stuff. I love Wild West Shaving Co. soaps. Okay, so pass 3 against the grain here. Good. Okay, feeling pretty good there. Gonna put a little more on here, pickups. Yeah, it doesn't feel like I'm getting as close of a shave as I normally would here. What's the razor or the blade or what? I feel like I've got pretty close shaves of this razor before, so it might be the blade, but I'm going to stick with that. Sorry, just trying to fix my watch here. Okay, so in the aftershave here at Gillette Cool Wave, put on a little bit of this. Love this thing here. Okay. And while that's drying down, we'll just go through again what we used for the shave. So the razor, again, was the Merkur 37C. Did a fine job here. Well, I think it might have. It's either did a good job. It wasn't too bad. I don't know. It wasn't as smooth as I'd like, but hey. Did a good job, at least I thought. Then the blade, maybe, I don't know. First time using it, so I guess I couldn't say here. It's the Baili stainless blade. Did okay, I guess. Cut it. I cut it. The brush, haircut and shave code, 24mm Tuxedo style nut. Good old brush there. The soap did, this is a real star of it here. Huawei Shaving Company Calamity Jeans. This is kind of a like test soap kind of thing. I guess, you know, it doesn't tell you exactly what the soap is, but this one smells pretty good in my opinion. Of course, performance is awesome, so good stuff there. And the aftershave, again, was this Gillette Cool Wave. And the Balm, Duke Cannon Ice Cold. So I'm just going to take a little bit out here. Right there. There you go. Okay, it's feeling pretty good there. Yep, pretty close. I guess you're not just feeling a lot against the grain. That's where the problems is. But hey, you know what? Okay, so that does take care of the shave of the day for today. So I did want to say thanks for checking out the video. I definitely do appreciate it. Please don't forget to like and comment below. I definitely like seeing both. But if you can't do one, do either or. I appreciate it. At least leave a like on the way out. And don't forget to subscribe. You can do that below. And I did, and thanks to all new subscribers and thanks to all my existing ones. And again, I did want to say thanks for checking out the video. Hope you have a great night. Hope you have some great shaves.